So guys, I really love this time of year in Garis, and I'll tell you why. The reason why is because this time of year is mango season here on Garis Island. I suppose it's mango season all over the Philippines, isn't it? But Garis, as many of you know, is well known in the Philippines as the place with the sweetest mangoes. And so this time of year, mangoes are available in abundance. There's so many of them, and they are cheap at this time of the year. So I think we got, what was it, Tina? How many mangoes? Two kilos? 2 kilos for 120 pesos per kilo, which is pretty good. So we were happy with that. We were driving on the road yesterday and we saw the mango stall, and Tina said, oh, it's 120. And I'm like, right, I'm craving mangoes. I want mangoes. She wants mangoes. We all want mangoes. So we're having mangoes. We got mangoes. We bought the mangoes. And oh, they're so good, guys. They're so yummy and tasty and sweet. I absolutely love them. So namit. So nice. And obviously there's so much that you can do with mangoes as well. You can eat them like normal, and you can also have them as a mango shake. You also, well, we know that some restaurants, they have mango pizza and other mango dishes as well. But today, in today's video, we are making... What are we making?
What are we making?
We are making mango ice cream.
Yes.
Yay! So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 5? Yeah.
So we will just use dua.
Dua. Sige. So we'll just use dua. And we've got our ingredients from the local store. So we've got the Nestle all-purpose cream. And we also, I'm not lifting it up. Oh dear.
The mango flavored condensed milk.
Yeah, mango flavored condensed milk. So the cost of those ingredients, 136 pesos. After cutting the mangoes in half, the next step was to carefully scoop out the fruit with a serving spoon. We made sure to glide it along the edges, being extra careful not to leave any behind. We didn't want any of that sweet mango going to waste. After removing the mangoes from the skin, we cut them into small cubes to make the ice cream look more presentable. And let's be honest, food just tastes better when it looks good and inviting. But a quick word of caution, guys. Mangoes can be quite slippery, so take your time while cutting. We definitely don't want any kitchen mishaps ruining the fun now, do we? After all that mango prepping, it was time for a well-earned lunch break. I had a simple yet delicious Filipino meal, rice and pork adobo, a classic dish that's packed with rich, savoury flavour. Namak gid. And of course, I couldn't resist topping it off with some fresh, sweet and juicy mangoes. There's just something about eating ripe mangoes in the Philippines. They're so naturally refreshing and bursting with sweetness. Honestly, you just cannot beat a good mango. And so it was the perfect way to end the meal and get ready for the next steps of making our mango ice cream. After our lunch break, we got right back to making the ice cream. First, we poured in the Nestle all-purpose cream, making sure to scrape out every last bit from the pack. This step is important because it ensures the ice cream will have a rich and smooth texture. We then whisked it for about 30 seconds, allowing it to become light and airy while breaking up any lumps to create an even consistency. So once that was nicely mixed, we added the mango flavoured condensed milk and continued our whisking. We combined both ingredients, whisking for another 20 seconds until everything was well blended. These simple ingredients, when combined together, will form the ice cream, and it creates a smooth, rich and flavourful mixture that once frozen will turn into a delicious treat.
Try.
Try.
Try mo the sweetness. Sweet?
Oh, very sweet, yeah. Very
Okay,
sweet,
so
guys.
that's enough na. Okay.
Yeah. Tamis.
And then, transfer the mangoes. Wow, mango bits.
And beat it again.
No, no.
Oh no.
Mix, mix, mix. Just a bit. Ooh, look at that.
I'm surprised it hasn't attracted the ants yet, guys.
Black ka na.
And now we're just waiting for it to set. So we'll see you later once it's ready. Okay guys, so we have our mango ice cream and look at that. Mayo gate, right? So let's try.
Sure, how many hours?
Wait, 3 hours was it?
More than 3 hours.
More than 3 hours, so let's take the first bite.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Look at the mango bit.
Yeah. Nama.
Okay.
Okay.
Mmm.
You like? Nama it. There we are. A good treat, isn't it? A good snack.
So I got mine.
Cat on ta. Mango ice cream in our Kubo hut. Yeah, that's really good, isn't it? And somebody's music is playing from across the way.
So we made 7 cups.
Yeah.
You can make more out of 2 mangoes.
Yeah.
You can make more. But we only bought 1 Nestle cream and 1 condensed, so just 7.
Yeah.
It's hot here, the dried fishes. That's the ice cream.
It is really good. Listen guys, we're going to end the vlog here because
The music.
the music, don't want to get a copyright strike on YouTube or anything like that now, do we? So, see you in the next video.